Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can aggregate form responses automatically from multiple form applications. So guys, here I'm about to show you how you can streamline your data collection process by fetching the form responses into a single centralized location. So first, you need to set up a centralized location for your form responses, and for this, we recommend you using spreadsheet applications like Google Sheets or Airtable. And not only this, you can create documents out of your form responses as well. And for that, you can use Google Docs kind of applications. Okay. And secondly, for doing this, you need to connect the form application with these centralized locations. And for that, we are going to create the workflows of automation. So let me share you the workflows that you can use for this purpose. So for setting up the automation workflows, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted the same link in the description. So from here, this page, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link. And after that, you have to sign in and you have to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And on the dashboard, you can create workflows like I have created. So here you can see when you create a workflow, you will find these two modules here, the trigger and the action. Okay, so with the help of these two things, we are going to build these automations. So trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger, which is going to happen automatically. So here guys, I have created this workflow for collecting the form responses using Jotform application. So here in the trigger, I have selected Jotform and then I have used new response as the trigger event, and with the help of this webhook URL, we have created a connection with Jotform in the trigger. Okay, then we have captured a demo submission of our form response and we got the data captured here like this in this response action. And then we forwarded this data into Google Sheets by mapping the data here in this action step. So in this action step, I connect with Google Sheets application, use the action event as add new row. Then we have selected the spreadsheet in which we want to save the data from Jotform. Then I have selected the sheets name. And here you can see I have mapped the data from the first step like this. So to map the data, let me show you a demo. I am erasing this field. Okay, so here you can see as I have clicked here on the name field, the trigger step will appear here in the drop down, and by clicking on it, you can find all the data right here. And from here only, you can map anything, like I'm mapping the first name here and the last name of the person who have filled this form. Okay. And after that, you can check your connection with Google, your spreadsheet application by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. And this data will be forwarded to your spreadsheet like this. Okay. So this is how you can create this workflow for collecting Jotform responses. Similarly, I have created this workflow and here I have connected Typeform in the trigger. Okay. Typeform in the trigger. And after that, I have collected the data like this of the form submission. Then in the action step, I have connected Google Docs application to create a document out of the form responses. So for this, I have already created a document template beforehand in Google Docs application. And after connecting Google Docs, we have selected create document from template the action event. And then I have selected the template's name. Then I have given the template's new document's name, which is going to be created out of that template. Then I have mapped the data from the first step. And that's how you can create the documents from any template that you have in Google Docs. And in that template, guys, let me show you the template. You must have these placeholders in the document that you are creating. Okay, so in the template document, when you place these placeholders in double curly braces, this placeholders is going to be filled automatically with the new data every time this workflow is going to run. Okay, and in the place of the placeholders, this data that you have mapped from the form responses will be placed automatically. Okay, right. And the third workflow we have is this. You can see here we have used Gravity Forms plugin of WordPress in the trigger. And then we selected new response as the trigger event. And with the help of this webhook URL, we have created a connection with Gravity Forms plugin. For that, you just have to read the instructions and follow them. Then capture the response of that connection by filling out the form manually. And you have to do it once for capturing this test data. And after that, you can forward the data into Google Sheets or any other application by mapping the data like this. Okay. So you can do it easily with the help of this trigger and the action steps. Okay. And guys, if you want to know how I have created these workflows, how I have created these connections in the trigger and actions, I'm going to paste the link of the tutorial videos in the descriptions of these kind of workflows so you can watch those videos and learn these automations. And with the help of this, you can aggregate the form responses from multiple form applications automatically. Thanks for watching.